A beautiful but breezy afternoon in Calgary is where we get set to wrap up another Labor Day weekend in the CFL. The Battle of Alberta is always special, but today it's classic. Calgary looks to get the bragging rights back today, and for the second year in a row, Jake Maier at the helm in this big game.
We haven't been doing quite enough to get ourselves over the hump. This is the day, this is the game. We're gonna finish for 6 minutes. Let's get another job done. Finish on 3. 1, 2, 3.
And I think that will be Stampeder ball. He sets up, throws on the wide side, caught at the 5, heading to the end zone. Touchdown! And there's your ball game. Labor Day 2022. A pretty hard-fought win by the Calgary Stampeders. The White Horse rides on to a 26-18 win over the Edmonton Elks.
Hey, Labor Day, baby. Told you how we coming. Let's go.